What is up, guys? Welcome to B-Lit Reviews. Today we're going to be going over everything I bought in the previous video. I got a lot of heat, a lot of fire to go over. So without further ado, guys, let's get it. What's up, guys? I want to say thank you for tuning in today. And if you're new and you like it, guys, hit the subscribe button and hit them thumbs up because they go a long way. You guys have been killing it out there for me, and I appreciate every one of you. So without further ado, guys, let's jump into these earths, all right? We have a whole bunch behind us. We came in clutch on these. And these, I didn't hit on Yeezy Supply. I didn't hit on Adidas. This was just all in-store grabs. So let's jump into this earth colorway. This is the first time that Adidas and Yeezy did a region drop, where they dropped them in 3 different regions: the flax and the taillights and the earth throughout the world. In our area, in the Americas, we got the earths, so I came and grabbed these. I was in some raffles. I didn't get the other ones. That's okay. I got my eyes on a lot of other heat I'm trying to get. But what I did today, guys, was different. I wore these for a couple days, and I wanted to show you what they look like after wearing them. And the thing I love the most is they don't hardly ever get dirty. It just blends so good. And, you know, a lot of the Yeezys, they get really dirty on the boost on the bottom. These guys, they really don't. So let's jump into them. So right away, you got the different bottom on this. It's usually like right here. This is yellow. That's not yellow. The first time for that. The boost, you can see, got a little dirty from wearing them, and has the pull tag on the back. We take the inserts out of all our shoes so they fit a little better. I go true to size, and I should go a size up, but I go true to size and I take my insoles out. So right away, guys, you got the two-tone, the earth. We're going to switch up and lace these a little differently. We just haven't had time to do that yet. I'm going to walk you around this. You guys, you've seen plenty of these reviews out there. There's no need in it going into everything that's on these. I will say price point was $220 as always, and they are trending for a little above that on StockX. But I wanted to wear them. My wife and I wore these for a couple days. I wanted to show you what they look like after wearing them. So these are worn, as you can see, but they didn't get, you can't hardly tell. Looking at the top, you can't even tell they've been worn. Here's my wife's. And it's been raining like crazy here in Tennessee, so it has been crazy. So these are worn, and look, you can't even see it. The thing I like about the bottoms is they don't show hardly any dirt. I mean, a little bit right here, but they hardly show any dirt. I wanted to bring it to you real. Everybody does them right out of the box, and I do that as well. But I'm gonna start a little segment where I wear and review. So I wear them for a day or two, review them, see how they hold up, see how they fit, and see if you guys like it. Then let me know in the comments, and we'll keep doing it. So I'll do the new inbox, and I'll also do a wear and review segment. So here's my wife's. Wait, that's my wife. No, I'm sorry. This is my wife's. Sorry, this is mine, and they are really, really cool. They go with anything. My wife wore a lot of earth tone colors, and I was actually wearing my veteran, army colored Titans gear, and then I have a couple Columbia brown neutral jackets I wear with them, with a regular pair of light blue jeans, and they just pop. We got so many comments everywhere we go, and of course my little kids were fitted, my girls were fitted out as well. I got some footage of that as well. I'll bring you guys. But these are really nice shoes. They are trending, like I said, a little above retail, around maybe $250, $260 on StockX. And a lot of people wanted to go for the tail lights and the flax, which I ain't gonna lie, I like the flax and I like the tail lights, but you know what? There's a lot of more things I'm trying to get, like those Travis Scott dunks. We will get into later how to get those and what links. And I just got a lot in this video, guys, so stay tuned. The first thing we're going to go over is where I got the 23 and penny. I went to SoHo Gallery. You've seen on the last video. If you haven't, go check that video out. I went to several stores, boutiques, and I got some merch and I got some shoes. So I got this shirt and I got 3 other shirts and I got some J's. So let's go through them right now. So right away, guys, you got the SoHo Gallery in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And it says on the bag, 767 West Main Street. It's the SoHo Gallery. And that's our Tennessee state flag logo, and that's Nashville skyline in the background. So let's open up this bag and right away get into what we have, okay? So right away, I got this really cool SoHo Waffle House collab. SoHo Gallery. Guys, you're gonna love the back. You ready? We cooking, fam. We cooking. Had to grab it. So I got this SoHo Gallery We Cooking Fam shirt. Really nice. Very good material. And next up, I got the, instead of the anti-social club, I got the anti-resale club. Guys, I know you know that's fire. That is lit. And I'll drop links on where to get these if you want them. Anti-resale club. Very good material. Really cool. Next up, we have a collab with an artist here. This is the SoHo Gallery Scent collab. Right here. And it's made in the 615, which is National Area Code. This is January 2019. SoHo Gallery Scent collab. Again, another very well put together shirt. And the one I'm wearing is the 23 penny. You know I had to grab some heat. So, what do I got? You know what it is? You know what it is? Could it be dun 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 dun? Air Jordan 5 Retro Low Chinese New Year. Oh yeah. Size 11. I ain't even pulled these out yet, guys. These are used, pre-owned, so they still have the plastic on them. These are fire. These are the Chinese New Year's. I got them. They were only $129, guys. These on StockX, they were going for $350 something. So, and they didn't have any used ones anywhere, so I just went ahead and grabbed these right away. Let me see what's in. I haven't even looked in this yet. So we have the clear paper with some design on it, and we have Chinese New Year tag that came along with it. Chain for the shoes. Of course, like I said, these were used. These came out New Year's night. The next thing we're going to be going over is from a boutique called Citizen in Franklin, Tennessee. So there's three guys. They actually have an account with Nike. They have Off-White. They have Supreme. They have Bake. They have brands that are in South Korea, Australia, Japan. They have anything that you could want. They have Kith collabs. They have Fear Gods. They have Jordan. They have Travis Scott's. They have whatever you could want. So just a Citizen. Look at the bag. The quality of this bag. That tells you how the boutique is there. And you see it in the last video. I actually went there, and it's really nice and white and clean and crisp. The lighting there, and it's just so warm and just welcoming there. So I went and I got something very different, guys. I got this shirt right here. It's a brand I just found out about, and I got it for $65. And this is made in South Korea, guys. It's called This Is Never That. So I got this. Here's the brand. Here's what what it looks like. This Is Never That. $65. And so the stitching's really awesome on this shirt. So right here you got the stitching that comes down through the pocket. This is a company out of South Korea. They're really big over in Europe. They're starting to really get some traction here. There's not a lot of places that carry it, but I was lucky to find one. They have They have pants from Australia I'm going to go back and get. But this is really high quality clothing made in South Korea. And I'm going to show you guys. There's the back. It's a really heavy material. And you know where usually the stitches on top of the sleeves? The stitches on the side on these right here. it's really, that's what really drew me to it, was the stitching. It was the last one, not of this brand, but of this particular style. So I had to grab it up. And it's very well put together. You can just tell it's quality made when you're wearing it. I put it on and tried it on. It's got the pocket right here. It says, "This is never that." And it says SC/SPO. I'm not sure what that is. I have to look that up. But like I said, I was just put on this brand in there, and I will be buying more from this company.
Nah, that's on me, ayy. Any day could have been dead. High school price on my head. Paranoid lying in my bed. Pray to God they don't turn my shirt red. I was lost, didn't know me. Introduced myself to codeine. 6 months was a dope fiend. Philly didn't even know things. There was a low me. Swear to God, it would've owed me. Everything you ever told me, everything you ever showed me, I forgot it. Caused me drama. I used to stay on one. Now I change on them.
Guys, let's jump into these Travis Scott Dunk Lows. Everybody wants them. But how do we get them? I'm going to tell you how we get them, guys. You have to get them from skate shops. They're not going to be on the sneakers app. They were. They said no. So, you know what? They may shop drop. So, keep your eye open. They may shop drop. They did a shop drop on them the other day. Special box. Super limited. And they were just gone, just like that. Super limited. Now, I am going to get a pair. I'm going to have to, if I can't get them retail, I will get these resale and do a review for you and throw them on feet. But I'm going to give you guys some information, all right? I'm going to hook you up with my group, my guy, Sir Ugly. I'm going to put his information. He tells you where to get them and basically any shoe you want, he'll give you the information on how to cop, when to cop, and they'll help you. It's the fastest growing group that I know of. We're at 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. It's free, guys, right now. Things may change, but right now is your opportunity to get in. I'll link his channel, and you can go there, and he'll send you an invite, and there you go. And you're in there with us, and you're cooking and getting what you need. So there's a lot of good people in there, and they will help you get anything you want to get your hands on. So, guys, thank you for watching. I did go out and go to some other boutiques. In my next video, I got some other awesome things coming and some info of some events and some places I found that has some super limited shoes that I'll be bringing on the next video, guys. So like I said, if you're new here, please subscribe, and thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, let's get it.